Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that has been the subject of much debate and speculation. Can artificial intelligence, AI, replace humans? With the rapid advancements in technology, AI has become more sophisticated than ever before. But does that mean we will soon be replaced by machines? Let's find out. The idea of AI replacing humans has sparked fear and curiosity in equal measure. Some believe that AI will take over our jobs, while others think it's just science fiction. But what is the truth behind this concept? Let's debunk the myths and unveil the truth. First, let's address the myth that AI will completely replace humans in the workforce. While it's true that AI has the potential to automate certain tasks and jobs, it's unlikely to replace humans entirely. AI is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. AI is best at tasks that involve repetitive, mundane, and data-driven activities. But when it comes to tasks that require critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and empathy, humans still hold the upper hand. Exactly. Jobs that require complex decision-making, emotional understanding, and human connection, such as healthcare, education, and customer service, are less likely to be fully replaced by AI. Human touch and empathy are irreplaceable in these roles. That being said, AI can bring numerous benefits to our society. For instance, in the field of healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly, leading to better patient outcomes. AI can also improve efficiency in industries like manufacturing and logistics, resulting in cost savings and increased productivity. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and make our lives better in many ways. However, it's important to strike a balance between AI and human involvement to ensure that we maximize its potential without losing the human touch. Another important aspect to consider is the ethical implications of AI. As AI systems become more autonomous, issues such as bias, accountability, and transparency arise. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with human oversight and ethical guidelines. AI should be designed to augment human capabilities and empower us, rather than replacing us. It's essential to prioritize ethics, fairness, and accountability in the development and deployment of AI technologies to avoid unintended consequences. Absolutely. As with any technological advancement, responsible and ethical use of AI is paramount. It's up to us as a society to guide the development and deployment of AI in a way that aligns with our values and ensures a positive impact on humanity. So, can AI replace humans? The answer is, it's highly unlikely. While AI has the potential to automate certain tasks and jobs, it's not capable of replicating the unique qualities that make us human, such as creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. However, we must approach the development and use of AI responsibly, with a focus on ethics and human oversight. As we continue to advance in technology and embrace the potential of AI, we have an opportunity to create a future where humans and AI work hand in hand to tackle challenges and create positive change. With the right approach, AI can enhance our lives and augment our capabilities, leading to a better and brighter future for all of us. That's it for today's discussion. We hope this video has shed some light on the myth of AI replacing humans and provided a balanced perspective. Remember to leave your thoughts and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching.